Ki Muktiar ne kinong sadaan ka jela ki lapan pau ka jing sngosi kthang ya ka jing du nong ka bakrau namar baka jaka trekam jongki ka bala jutip kum ka Shillong Bar Association kala sha bamdu hakading hakamit arpusau tarik rempang hajar arpusau hakapor kumba shipau baji tam AA. Hakasingi ka babuat kata ka arpusan tarik rempang na kalyang undong lum Khubor ulayo banyakran bat arngut ki Muktiar ki bakamrang ba bat ki baladon kumba arpau snem tam hakate ka jaka kila ong ba shibun ba ki jingdu nong ki ba kimla Shuh ban ken hakador jong ka pisa namar ba ki kot Donkam kum ki case record ki bank documents bank case state file land document ki dulir pata bat ki we ki kot Donkam habaya day bat bun jat ki case kila sha bamdu hakata kading Shuh ka we na kinong sadaan kalapan pau da ka baong banang nu Shuh kin yo ya ki kot kisla Donkam jongki bat kala shem shi tomru ban yo biang yaki kalau ong baya ka yeng la biang bantay henrei ya ki kot kisla kalau ong ruba kumba kalong menta ki don hadu news pa tam kinong sadaan ki bajuan tista syagate ka chamber bat kenthop bat ki bam kham politikna kila don palat shi hajar ngut kinong sadaan kani ka jing plu jong kate ka jaka trekam jong ki kalawan ra ka jing du nong ka bakrau ya baro kinong sadaan ki batre hakate ka Shillong Bar Association.
ये वहाँ पर आप जाए ना
ये नाते इधर नाते ये हमारा वाला
सेम हम लोग एक ही
ये भी हम लोग का भी गया नात के साथ में 2 फाइल था ना
That's very difficult to see unless it is been properly investigated the matter how this fire was broke out, isn't it? But night 10:30 or 11, quarter to 11, we got information that there was a fire broke out in this Shillong Bar Association.
So you can tell something about what is the loss? How many approximately when you lost about that?
Lost is very difficult to just quantify in terms of money. But yes, those who are sitting in this bar, they have lost their files. Nothing could retrieve the file. Not a single file could be retrieved. All are burnt, some are destroyed. Even the books also, the book libraries also are destroyed. Totally destroyed our library. Not a single book could be retrieved.
So what type of documents are? It's the most important.
Important documents, case files. If it is land matters, the land documents are there. Sometimes original land documents also there. If it is a bank case, bank documents are there. All those papers are there concerning these court cases. No? And, unless this has been exhibited to the court, those original is written by the lawyers so that they can exhibit to the court. Those who are exhibited to the court, okay, we can get it the certified true copy. But those was with us, was about to there's the exhibit before the court, those have been destroyed. So it will hamper this case also of my view, because you cannot produce any of this primary evidence, but we have to put the secondary evidence if there is a Xerox copy. So naturally it will hamper our cases also.
Okay.
Discussion is going on with the CA, our district judge, our honorable this, lordship, this is from the High Court, Justice H.S. Thank you also visited. So we are exploring the possibilities to get nearby any accommodations.
How many years you worked here?
Yeah,
How many years?
myself.
Yeah.
It's now 23 years.
20 years.
In that,
Yeah.
we are around 700
700.
who are regular. Otherwise, we are more than 1,000.
Most of that the lawyer has all documents is there in that.
Some they keep in the thing in their own chambers. So see my books. All this is mine now. Because this is where that Almira was there. No? When I came, this is all mine. This is also mine. Look at the files. Books are burned. These books are so expensive. Bills are burned. Files are and original documents are burned. Okay, constructing is something different. But what loss is that of original documents? And the original documents are of the clients, right? Like title suits, then the original maps, original things, original titles, sale deeds, and then other deeds, original, which is very difficult to get because maybe we have one piece like that, and it's difficult to construct from wherever they got also, no? Like Dulir from the CM and all that. There is Kiriam, Gaumbura and all. We don't have from where to get that. That is only once made. So all these things, title suits, those are big losses where we lost so many original title deeds which we cannot reconstruct. Recent ones we can reconstruct, like registration department we can reconstruct, but given from the thing CM, Kiriam, all that difficult to, and very old ones, very old ones, difficult. So it's a big loss. We are fighting cases where the records are of even before 1900 or 1800 or so. Like I have lost original map of 1911. 1911. And some papers of during British time also.
But lost approximately.
See, I can tell about me because my books and all. I have lost here around because I have a chamber. I keep things there also. But with books and file and all, will be around 40,000, 40 to 50,000. Just things which are kept here. Because so many rulings also I have kept. See these books. These are very expensive books. That's what we will have to see. Maybe we'll ask from the High Court to give us little space for the time being.
Yeah.
Because there are some new buildings also, and we'll request the CJ.
Any agreement with government?
No, just yesterday it happened. We are just trying to find out what we have lost and all, how much we have lost. Yeah, we will meet the government also. We are planning to seek help from them also. And for that time, immediate time being, we thought of we'll have a meeting today. But seeing this yesterday, going back.
What the information when you get from what reason that chamber will burn?
Till now we cannot assert, but could be short circuit or somebody left something on. Could be that only. Otherwise, it is always locked. So maybe somebody just used some heating material and left it on. Maybe then it's a short circuit.
What is your name?
Purnam Yadav.
Purnam Yadav.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.